Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Agent Lee, and I want to share with you a divergence. So here we have Ethereum. The long-term trend line was broken at around May or so of this year. And even with this very impressive rally to the upside, it's still basically kissing the underbelly side of now the resistance, which used to be the support that broke. And this is significant because what this is saying is that this quote-unquote impressive rally is more than anything else a bear market rally, or what you can call maybe even a bull trap. And what is of significance is that this is a multi-year support. The only weakness is that it only has 3 touch points. And I think that's more because of the fact that Ethereum came later than Bitcoin. Had it started at around the same time, it would have had 3 more additional touch points. Now, this kiss of death usually takes some time for it to roll over, and the expectation is for it to get rejected by the resistance. Here, on the other hand, is Bitcoin. Again, a multi-year touch point with 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points. And what is of significance here is that it is a divergence in that it has not broke below the multi-year support line, unlike Ethereum. If you observed the price action of Bitcoin and Ethereum for the past few months or even just few weeks, you'll see how I think Ethereum has the baton. It has been leading the price action pathway carving. And Bitcoin has been pretty much following, just not exactly in the same amplitude. Okay? And that tells me that there is a high probability that this bounce off of the support is nothing more than a bear rally. And if that's the case, and Bitcoin continues to follow Ethereum, I think what we can say is that once and if there is a rejection by the resistance and Ethereum starts rolling over, Bitcoin will probably cross below this very long-term support line, making it resistance. And this should be flashing some serious cautionary red lights. So at the end of the day, what this really means is that if it is a bear rally, it's a pretty good opportunity to unload if you have not. Because if both cross below the long-term support line, I mean, I'm not looking at the moving averages, forget about 200, 300, 400 week, whatever. I'm just looking at this. If it goes below it, it's going to get no longer a divergence status, but a confirmation status. And this also pretty much says that it's high probability that the bear market is not yet over. There's a lot more details on hedging.com that members get on a daily basis. Consider joining. And if you like this content, follow and give me a like. Have a good day.